Danny really had taught me here is, if you love your family, you may not be able to save them from the heartbreak because it's always there.
Yes.
But help them remember you in a way na till the last breath you took, you have shown them or proved them how much you love them. Because getting a life insurance policy is like that. You're proving your loved ones how great you love them by saving them from that kind of pain. So, ana siya nga, tinangga jud ka sa imong hangbana kay ako namatay akong mama, duha akong kaguol.
Yeah.
Kaguol sa akong bulsa ug asa ko magpangita sa kwarta instantly on that spot. Ani jud. Ug kaguol kay nawadan ko og mama. So, na siya na tinangga ka sa imong bana kay although wala na gusto na giyaan ka. Pero i-secure niya nga masakitan man gani ka, dili na maglawad imo ang ulo asa ka mangita o ibayad pa. So the healing you just have to make is a healing for yourself.
Yes.
Which is, for me, it's what I've learned na if I can't actually remove the pain para sa mga maibilin or sa mga like instances na masakit pa, at least I can help them ease out that burden. So if they need to heal, they just have to focus on healing their own. No need to maguna-una ba nga, ay napagay ko bayran. Diba? Kaya it's a huge difference yun. You're making their life stress-free. More to understand also with what happened right now, what's going on right now, I can really say na it's somewhat God's grace.
Amen.
That lead me to having this or making that decision, because what happened right now, what's going on with my life right now, that's just simply, it amazed me na at some point, when you're loving someone, it doesn't just end when you die. But there is still a way for you to prove your family, your loved ones, na you're still looking out for them. So that's what I'm sending a message to those na in doubt pa.